Let's talk about a secret that seasoned consultants know, but very few talk about openly. This is actually something that I struggled with quite a bit when I started out in my consulting career. You don't need to know everything about Dynamics BC, ERP, or insert your subject to be a great consultant. What's truly important here is your ability to find answers and your commitment to continuous learning. The first big takeaway is that nobody knows everything. Take Dynamics BC, for example. That's a product that has 2 major updates a year and minor updates on a monthly basis. It's continuously evolving and getting better. Where great consultants set themselves apart are their problem-solving abilities and their resourcefulness. The second point is that for you to build a strong network, it's often more valuable to know who to ask or where to go to find the answers as opposed to having all of the knowledge yourself. Okay, so network with other consultants, with other people in the industry, and ensure you have a strong network. Now, the third point here is to embrace continuous learning. Spend some time, either every week or every month, to sharpen up your skill set. Dive into some of the new features, look at industry trends, take a course if needed. Ensure that you are staying up to date and sharpening your skill set. You need to continually be learning and growing. Now, to wrap this all up, you've got to realize, what is it that our clients hire us for? It's to find solutions for them. They don't hire us to be walking encyclopedias. So take that pressure off yourself to know it all, and instead focus on honing your ability to learn and adapt.